Welcome back to Crypto Warehouse. My name is Mike, and today we are going to take a look at Swarm. What is Swarm, I hear you say? Well, we're going to cover off Swarm. We're going to go through their website. We're going to go through their white paper. Then we're going to have a look at DEX tools, see what the price action is, have a look at the tokenomics, see if the token checks out on DEX tools. We'll then go through CoinGecko, have a look at where you can buy this token. Then we'll have a look at their socials, and at the very end, I'm going to give you my conclusion on what I think of Swarm. Before I do any of that, can I please ask you to like and subscribe to Crypto Warehouse, help us grow the channel, and help us to make more videos like this. What is Swarm then? Well, it is the gold standard for blockchain-based finance. Trade real-world assets, RWAs, on-chain today, 100% asset-backed and, of course, compliant. Now, this piqued my interest because when we get to the end of the bull run, you are going to have many profits that you do not want to keep in Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, or the like. You're going to need somewhere to park your tokens, and we have covered Ondo on this channel many times. It's one of my favorite projects that I'm going to hold for the bull run. I have seen Swarm. It looks very promising. Now, it doesn't have a massive market cap. I am not being paid to tell you about Swarm. This isn't a sponsored video, but I'm going to take you through why I'm very bullish on Swarm, because I believe RWAs and to some extent tokenization of assets is going to be the bull run narrative of 2025. Now, they have a couple of products that I want to show you. The first one is public stocks on chain. Now, again, this is not new. Synthetics and other projects offer you this. They offer you multiple products under one roof. Invest in public stocks on chain. Get exposure to this highly liquid asset class and benefit from 24/7 risk management. Backed 100% by the real stock, transparent and secure, monitored by a trusted global auditing firm and regulatory compliant. And some of the stocks, as you can see, BlackRock, Coinbase, Apple, Intel, Microsoft, the usual crowd are available via Swarm. In addition to stocks, they have what I'm really interested in, and that is the US Treasury bonds. Swarm is the only place where you can buy and trade US Treasury bond ETFs and earn 4.5% yield without moving outside of the blockchain ecosystem. Again, similar to Ondo. And of course, I must put in a disclaimer, that can change as interest rates come down. Bond yields will also come down, but it's going to outperform your bank by a multitude of 10 or 20 anyway. Tokens are issued by Swarm X GmbH, a subsidiary of Swarm. Low risk, bonds are backed by the US government, transparent and secure again, and of course, regulatory compliant. And I know many of our audience love gold. Swarm has a gold product, the new gold standard, unmatched transparency, control, and flexibility for digital gold. Tokenizing gold can only benefit the blockchain as well as benefiting you. So they offer gold, they offer treasuries, and they offer stocks. Now, I have connected up my wallet. I have also attempted to complete the KYC, which I have not yet done. Please bear in mind, there is nowhere online where you will be able to get KYC free access to these stocks and treasury bonds. You will have to put your passport or your ID online for somebody to check and give you access. They would not get the regulation and licensing to do this without that. Top right hand corner, you can see that this is available on Ethereum and Polygon. And you can connect your MetaMask wallet, or in my case, I have connected my crypto.com DeFi wallet. And you have a really simple UI within the app. You can go all assets, stock tokens, and of course, bond tokens. So again, this is like Ondo plus one. Now I'm going to try and keep this video as short and sweet as possible. So we'll go through this very quickly. First of all, there is a token associated with this SMT, Swarm Market Token. This is a payment token based on the ERC20 protocol on the Ethereum blockchain. It facilitates simplified transactions and provides a discount and reward mechanism for the Swarm platform. That is the key for me. Special incentives are built into the token economy to reward liquidity providers who provide liquidity across the platform. Staking rewards are based on each address's amount of SMT staked against a specific RWA, calculated using the RWA's market cap as a proportion of total RWA market cap, prorated against all SMT stakes against the specific RWA. So you receive a share of the total rewards. It's very straightforward. And there are 4 different rates, and that gives you more details in there. All of this is available in the white paper, which I would strongly recommend you check out. And I will leave a link, as always, to everything I've talked about in this video. Again, with KYC, you will have to connect up your non-custodial wallet, and you will have to add your KYC, your passport details or your ID details. Now, of course, that does mean that your non-custodial wallet will be connected to your passport. So in the future, they will know that that wallet is owned by you. So be very careful. Maybe consider creating a secondary empty wallet to connect to this platform. The audits have been completed using Pessimistic. There are links to all the different PDF files associated with the contracts being audited. Go and check them out. There are, of course, inherent risks, as with everything online, potentially problems with the contracts, hacking attempts, the usual type of problems that you have with other DeFi platforms, you will also potentially experience with this one, so bear that in mind. Philip Pieper is the co-founder at Swarm, based in Berlin, Germany. He has been at Swarm since June 2019, which is when I imagine they started the project, over 5 years there, and comes from Silicon Valley. He was a mentor at Singularity University, as well as a mentor at StartX. So plenty of experience behind the project. There are links to several other members of the team. I would suggest going to check them out and see what you think of them. And they have some massive partners: Chainlink, Polygon, MoonPay, Gnosis. Lots of partners. Of course, they will need real-time prices for the tokens and the assets, the digital assets that they are selling. So they're going to need an oracle to get involved. Polygon, of course, is the biggest L2 on Ethereum, and MoonPay is, of course, a massive on-ramp to get people onto the blockchain. There is an awful lot to get through with a project like this, so I am trying to keep it as short as possible. The market cap is a mere $41 million. I know I made a video yesterday for the OG members, which was 6 high-risk, low-cap coins. This is not, in my opinion, a high-risk coin and was not included. So a $41 million market cap. The total supply of tokens is only 241 million, with a 74.5 million circulating supply. So just under 30% of the tokens are in circulation. Again, in the future, that could possibly lead to a depreciation in the value of the tokens in your pocket. Liquidity is very high, just under 10,000 holders, and the volume is very healthy as well. As you would expect from a financial product, the DEX T-score is 99 out of 99. The contract has been verified, it isn't a honeypot, and there is 0% buy and sales tax. And there is a full panel of audits, quick intel, Go Plus, honeypots. There really is nothing to worry about as far as this is concerned with the project. Now, as with all tokens, it has had some retracement since April. Lots of tokens have been on a decline with the price of Bitcoin. However, this is starting to break back up and is currently at 55 cents. With a $1.20 price of its recent all-time high in April, I not only expect it to break $1.20, but I would certainly look at somewhere in the region of a $100 to $300 million market cap for this project. That is, from today, a 2.5x to potentially a 7.5x. Why? Because this is a new up-and-coming project. It's going to get traction. People are going to start talking about it. And as I said at the start of the video, if you have assets that you want to sell at the end of the bull run, your Bitcoin, Ethereum, your Solana, whatever it may be, and you don't want to remove those assets from the blockchain, in my opinion, buying US treasuries, US guilds, paying 4, 5, 6% is a safe place, a safe haven for your money during the bear market. And companies like Ondo, companies like Swarm, they're going to fill that gap that currently exists. So I'm going to give you my conclusion in a minute, but let's go and have a look at CoinGecko and see where you can get this token from. Now, the total supply on here again comes in roughly at the same 241 million, circulating supplies coming in at 80 million, so 33% of the tokens are in circulation. The market cap is a mere $44 million. Even at a fully diluted market cap, it's only $133 million, so it is a micro cap at this moment in time. However, the token is on some of our favorite exchanges, and I'm going to leave a link below to BINGX. Go and sign up to BINGX. It helps support the channel and you'll be able to get the token there. It has a decent amount of volume in the last 24 hours. Gate.io is also partnered with us, as is MEXC. So there's plenty to choose from there to go and get this token from. Over on social media then, they have 25,000 followers. And the pinned vote at this moment in time is change to the rewards policy or burn a third of all the tokens. You know as well as I do, when you burn tokens, number goes up. The voting will close on Wednesday next week. So if you're watching this after Wednesday the 24th, this vote will have taken place. However, I would consider this to be a very bullish sign. Either the rewards are going to go up or the tokens are going to be burned. In conclusion then, what do I think of Swarm? Well, it is a regulated entity. It is providing a solution to a market which will exist in around about 18 months' time, which is the market of crypto degens and crypto early investors who have come to crypto and want somewhere to put their profits. Because of that, I expect this to do exceptionally well in the bull run. And the bear market, that's the key. I've said before on some of our live streams, I think real-world asset and real-world asset projects are going to decouple from crypto in the next 3 to 4 years because really they are associated with real-world assets, not crypto assets like Bitcoin. Having said that, if I have my $500,000 or $1 million and I'm looking for somewhere to put it, I will be looking firstly at Ondo, secondly at Swarm. I am not interested in putting my crypto assets into synthesized versions of stocks. I am interested in US treasuries, however, and between Ondo and Swarm, they will satisfy that need. Having said that, I have to give you a warning. It is a small micro cap project. It's under $100 million. And of course, it carries all of the same inherent risks that you have with DeFi, which is exploits and the like. So over the next 6 months, I will be monitoring Swarm. The token looks exceptional. However, the price of 55 cents, very low. Previous all-time high, $1.20. If they burn a third of these tokens, I would expect this token to reach anywhere between $5 and $10. So this isn't financial advice, but my advice is to go and check them out. All of the links are going to be left in the description below. However, please make sure to like and subscribe to Crypto Warehouse. Help us grow the channel. Help us to make more videos like this. You, as always, have been great. I have been Mike. Until the next video, goodbye.